So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem when it says machine integrity failed and this error secure boot disabled, please enable and restart the game. So how to fix this? Let's get started. First, what you need to do is close your computer and then restart it and then load into the BIOS system. Once you're in the BIOS, what you need to do is you have to search for OS type. Just type OS in the search menu and then click OK. Once you do this, you'll find OS type. Just drop down the menu and then select Windows UEFI mode. Just click on this and then restart your PC by saving changes. And after you do this, hopefully your problem solves. And if your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy. Whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.